Thanks for joining us here on Nightside. I'm Katie McCall.
And I'm Carolina Lee. Let's get right to the latest update on Irma from meteorologist Bobby Deskins.
Still a long ways off, guys. Over 1,100 miles away from us, getting closer, but it's still a long ways off from us. But there are some big time updates. Now, wind-wise, as I just showed you, that has not changed much. The structure has not changed much. I mean, look at this thing. It is still a massive hurricane with 185-mile-per-hour winds. This is record-breaking. We're getting used to it because it's been that way for so long. Eye diameter now about 23 miles. This is a look at the last 12 hours as it went through the Virgin Islands and then moved northward of San Juan. It's about, Rick, what was that, 75 miles now northwest of San Juan? Bottom line is if you have family or friends in Puerto Rico, the weather will be getting better every hour for the next several hours, and by tomorrow morning, even the tropical storm force winds will be gone. So things will be improving there. Now let's get to the numbers. There it is, 85 miles northwest of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Still moving to the west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. Number one, we want it to move fast. Number two, we want it to move further to the north. The latest track from the National Hurricane Center has a subtle, and I mean a subtle change to the north. Just a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit. I wouldn't ordinarily point it out, but if that trend continues, it has a better chance of recurving sooner. So that's the only reason why I'm saying it. We still aren't absolutely sure about this, but it is still calling for that curve Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. 155-mile-per-hour winds, almost a Cat 5 as it makes the turn. And then there you go. You see Sunday night, 140-mile-per-hour winds. This could go right up over West Palm, close to Miami. This track, if you drew the center line, is just a touch to the east. Just a little bit, not much. This is going to fluctuate. But like when you woke up this morning and saw that it's not on the west coast, it's on the east coast, and you felt a little bit better, kind of the same thing in this case, but again, it was way ahead of the game to not be thinking about this too much. So we're going to track it very, very closely for you. There's the overall picture. There will be some wind blowing on this, and I'm going to explain that coming up in my full forecast, but that should not only help to turn it, but also help to knock at least some of the energy out of it by the time it starts that turn and go up, well, let's just call it up to the north because we don't know exactly where it's going to go. Guys, I'll have the details coming up.